So today we will be making the cityscape acrylic painting, and this painting is going to be a miniature cityscape acrylic painting. So I have this 3 by 3 inch canvas panel, and we will be making something like this, or we can say exactly this one size. This you can transfer and make it on a bigger size, whatever size you wanted you can make it. First of all, what we have to do, we will be using tube colors. We are not using the bottle colors, and we will be needing a flat brush, and this is my base for today's painting. So first I am taking purple shade, and what we have to do, we just have to drop few dots, as this is very small section, so we don't need too much of color. And colors scheme you can easily change whenever you want it. These are the ready-made pastel colors, so right now I'm using the lavender color, and after that I will be adding a little bit of white color in the middle. So whenever we are making canvas painting, even on a bigger canvas or on a smaller canvas, we have to drop colors in such a way that they cover the sheet, and later on we'll spread and blend the colors. Then I am using a peach color. For the lower part, you can change the color to some other orangish tone. So all these tones you can easily make with your primary colors. Now take any flat brush of yours. First, what we have to do, we have to spread the color. Now you can see that I am just spreading the purple shade, and slowly I am coming in the territory of white color. First I will blend completely the white and purple. I have to clean my brush, and if you find it difficult that ma'am, whenever we are doing white paint and our brush are having some other colors, so for that you can use the fresh brush. Now blending white color is only you can feel, but on the screen it is not visible. Now I can see that I have these visible lines clearly. So what I will do, I will again blend it and spread it till the top. And if you feel that I have less of this topmost color, then at any moment you feel you can add few more color. Till the time you are not satisfied, you can keep on adding the color. So working on a big canvas is still easier option, but when you are working on a smaller canvas, you have limited space and you have to show maximum of colors. Now my purple is good, but now I'm not happy with the white. What I will do, I will again add a little bit of white. And now I'll clean my brush because there is a lot of white, and I will blend it. In the actual painting, we don't have any cloudy shade, so we just have these three colors showing in the gradient form. So this is done. Now my brush is purple and white, so I have to clean it one more time. Clean it, wipe it, come towards the third part. So first mix the color and spread it on the sheet. Now it comes the blending part. Now I have to wash it. Now you can see that the upper two layers are blended properly, but the lower portion you can see clearly that from where it started and from where it ends.